I'm exercising my willpower. She told me not to eat it from a plate because we have to take a picture of it. How can you not eat it? So delicious. My name is Oksana. A little bit of my favorite blend spice. This vibrant dip isn't just pretty. It's packed with plant-based protein, fiber, and all the stuff that your body actually craves, plus natural iron. So I leave the skin on, just cut the little tail off a little bit for extra nutrients. I scrub it really, really well. And we're gonna roast it just like this. Beets are one of the best foods for liver support. They help to detox liver in its stage 2 detoxification by thinning out bile and basically helping our body eliminate waste more efficiently. Transfer to a bowl here. And roasting keeps the flavors in and nutrients more bioavailable, especially if paired with healthy fats, like I'm using extra virgin olive oil and my favorite spice blend, a mix of 16 unique herbs and spices to add more nutritional value to this. And a head of garlic, just cut the top. Oops. Garlic is running away from me. Just cut the top off and set it on a baking sheet. So one large beet like this, a whole garlic clove, send into oven to roast for 40 minutes at 400. To speed up the process, I already have a pre-roasted batch here. So let's start blending because you know what? I'm starving. I'm so hungry and I can't wait to eat this. And because I'm making a small batch, I'm using this small blender cup. So throw everything into a blender. A whole roasted garlic head. Try to keep the skin out. 1 can of cannellini beans. I like the no salt added variety. I didn't rinse it to preserve a little flavor from the juices. Tahini sauce, half a tablespoon tahini sauce. Definitely use the raw variety one, organic. My favorite spice blend. Cannot do without. Freshly squeezed juice of half lemon. And a little bit of salt to taste. I think I don't need gloves anymore. That's it. I think it came out a little bit too thick, so you want to add some liquid. I will use my homemade broth, veggie broth. You can use a little water to stay oil-free or even a little oil. So 30 ml, let's start with 30 ml. We don't want to overdo it. this is how I like to serve it. I'm not even talking, I'm holding my breath. I think it looks very pretty, very summery. This is how healthy food looks like for me in my head. And I love to serve it with one of my healthy healing breads. And today I have my green buckwheat variety. I have a video how to make it, and so is for the other kinds of bread. Okay, that's it. Tell me, would you eat this? Unlike other commercially prepared dips, this one actually supports your circulation, natural detox pathways, and supports your digestion. Even though this particular dip is not a part of my cookbook, but this is exactly the kind of anti-inflammatory and healing meals that I built into my 2-week meal plan in my cookbook. So if you want to start eating the way to heal your body, definitely check it out. I leave the link below this video. And now, because it's the end of the video, I actually get to taste it. So don't forget to like this video and follow me so we can start healing together.